This is the dam overflow. Works quite well. We get a lot of rain here. A couple of weeks ago we had 660 millimetres in about 4 days. It's about 26 inches. And when it gets really heavy, it'll actually flow across the grass, and that's why you'll see those bits of tin up there protecting the fish ponds. Stop the water going straight through them. There's the dam, and right on up the end on the other side of the bridge, that's where the water comes from. It drains that whole basin, so that top bridge all the way around, all that water comes down here and comes through the dam, and then down through there. And I'll tell you, when it's really flowing, if you fall in, you drown. Right down there, as it goes into the other paddock, we're having a few problems actually. I've had the a couple of excavator guys up, and they both had a go at fixing it, but to no avail. And what happens is that much water comes over the side, she just keeps falling away. So as you can see, it's a bit of a mess. It was before the last lot of rain out there, probably where the geofabric is, so it's, you know, more and more just keeps falling in. So anyway, the neighbour's father's coming over, and he's got an excavator and he's going to do a bit of work, and he reckons he's going to fix it. And there's the rock, well, some of it. I don't need to use it all for here, of course, but there's the rock, and there's the excavator. So hopefully you can do something, and I'll show you another video when it's flowing and when it's fixed. And there you go. We're fixing the spillway. We'll have a look at it when it's in full flood. Here's the finished job. It's pretty good. Hopefully it all works. We'll find out the next flood, which will probably happen in the next few weeks, I reckon. Should be pretty spectacular actually. Should be quite a waterfall there. Had a fair bit of rain the last couple of days. I'm just going to have a look, see how how it's overflowing down into the paddock. Walk up the top here. Continue Spillway. It's working pretty well. Yeah, not a big flood, but give it a bit of a test anyway. See how it goes.